So yun na nga mga kotsero. So regardless, regardless of what the Chinese Communist Party feels about the whole Ayungin Shoal situation, it doesn't matter. Kasi at the end of the day, mga kotsero, imaginary lang kasi yung kanilang claim. Nasa utak lang nila. Walang rhyme or reason to do it. Their basis is the map they created in 1945 or 1944. Walang legal basis yun. It has no legal value. Ang ending na lang nila, wala na sila ibang magawa, kung hindi, mangharas. That's it. Bully. Feeling ko hindi pa nila nararamdaman na ang mundo ay nasusuya na sa kanila. They're on the brink of a recession and they don't even realize. Alam nyo mga kotsero, ganito yan eh. Pag nagka-recession sila, may paglalaban pa ba nila yung West Philippine Sea? Hindi na. Bakit? Lahat sila gutom.